Hello my food lovers, and welcome to my creative cooking for healthy living YouTube channel. I'm Chef Samira, and today I'm just going to prepare a very simple, very easy muffin recipe that we all love and we eat it all the time. It shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes to prepare. Very low in sugar, very healthy. So what I need to do is I need 4 tablespoons of butter and third a cup of sugar, and I use the organic granulated brown sugar, 2 eggs, a cup of organic sprouted whole spelt flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 apple that I chopped into little cubes, half a cup of blueberries, you can use fresh or frozen, and 1 cup of walnut pieces, or if you have whole walnuts, just coarsely chop them. Okay, and then I have my muffin pan already ready with the paper cups. This is less messy and everybody can take their own already in a paper cup. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I creamed my butter, the 4 tablespoons of butter with the third cup of sugar with my electric mixer, and then I have the 2 eggs here. Then I'm gonna beat it with my electric mixer so the eggs and sugar and butter becomes like one creamy mixture. Okay, now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into my mixture. I'm gonna dump the salt and cinnamon and baking soda and baking powder into my mixture and the flour. Okay, that's it. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my electric beater again to sort of blend all of that together. Okay, so this is the mixture. It's all in here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the apples, the walnuts, and the blueberries to my mixture. Just blend them with my spatula together, divide them into my muffin pans. Okay, I have divided my batter into 12 cups. They're all here. So I'm just gonna put them in my preheated oven. The oven has been preheating to 350. So I'm gonna put it there for half an hour. Okay, here they are. I'm just gonna let them cool, and I'm gonna grab one and have it with a cup of coffee. Bon appétit!